Welcome to my channel Bongtun Unique.
Today, I'll show you how to create a video from text completely for free. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Here, write any story or content you want to turn into a video. Once the story is done, simply copy the entire text. Step 2. Open the DuckDuckGo browser. Make sure to keep your VPN turned on, so everything works smoothly. In the search bar, type LTX Studio. Click on the link that appears in the search results. On the page that opens, click on Free for Sign Up. A new registration page will appear. Now go to Temp Mail to get a temporary email address. Copy that email and paste it into the sign-up form on LTX Studio. It will ask for an OTP. Go back to Temp Mail, copy the OTP you received, and paste it into LTX Studio. Then, accept the terms and conditions by clicking OK on all of them. Click on New Project. Paste the story you copied earlier from ChatGPT into the project box. Then click Next. Now you'll see some options, like frame size and type of edit. Choose according to your preference. It may take a few seconds to load, so be patient. Then click Next again, and your video will start generating. Once the loading is complete, click the Share button. There, you'll find the download option. Click it to download your video. Finally, if you want, you can use any phone editing app to add extra effects, music, or text. Wait just about a minute, and your video will be ready to use.